How to change the spending limit for Instagram ads. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. And without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Open Instagram app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Hit profile icon at bottom right corner. Tap three-line icon at top right corner. And then first of all, you need to make sure that you switch your personal account to business or professional account. After that, scroll down. Under For Professional section, you need to tap on Creator Tools and Controls option. Select Add Payments option. Now tap on Payment Method from the menu. Now you will land on this Billing and Payment section where you need to scroll to the bottom of the screen and you will find the option of Account Spending Limit. Currently there is no option since I haven't added any payment method. If you will add, then you will see that. You simply need to select that option and then you will get edit button in top right corner of your screen. Enter your desired spending limit, for example, increase it to $5. Then tap check mark at bottom right corner to confirm your changes. Finally, tap save to update your spending limit. And that's it. You will successfully update your spending limit for Instagram ads. If you found this tutorial helpful, then hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.